In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect your mic or microphone to OBS Studio. First of all, make sure you have plugged in the microphone with your PC, and then after launching the OBS Studio, select a scene and under sources, click on this plus icon. Select here audio input capture, and you can rename this source and click on OK. Now click on this device drop down, and from this list you have to select the mic or microphone, that microphone you are currently using, and then click on OK. And then under sources we can see my microphone successfully added. Now come to this audio mixer section. In this list here you find your microphone. Now if you want, you can adjust your mic volume just like this. Keep it around -10 to -20 dB to avoid clipping, distorted sound. And that's how you can actually add our microphone in OBS.